Sermon number 36. Warning the people of Zad-e-Rah of their fate. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. I am warning you that you will be killed on the bend of this canal and on the level of this low area, while you will have no clear excuse before Allah nor any open authority with you. You have come out of your houses and then divine decree entangled you. I had advised you against this arbitration, but you rejected my advice like adversaries and opponents, till I turned my ideas in the direction of your wishes. You are a group whose heads are devoid of wit and intelligence. May you have no father. Allah's woe be to you, I have not put you in any calamity nor wished you harm.